This 2026 CrossRoads Sunset Trail ST331BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV antenna, oven, LP detector, microwave, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 CrossRoads Sunset Trail ST331BH is 9,045 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.